Pick up our aluminum stoop railing for your next railing project. Designed for flat surfaces and stoops with 2 to 3 steps up to 30 degrees. Make sure to watch our easy-to-follow installation video to get the job done faster. Installed on a flat surface, the handrail measures 48 inches wide and 37 inches high. The handrail overhangs can also be easily adjusted during installation to accommodate personalized accessibility requirements. The included mounting hardware makes it easy to secure our handrail to concrete, wood, and composite. All assembly fasteners are stainless steel and color matched to maintain a professional, uniform look. Finished with a textured black powder polyethylene-coated finish with UV inhibitors to resist fading and to withstand the harsh outdoor elements. Visit nuvoiron.com to learn more.